Here at Take a Break Spas and Billiards, we are the best swim spa dealer in the entire state, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. The first step to being the best swim spa dealer in the state of Utah is by having the most swim spas, not only just sold, but also available and ready to go. We have all these swim spas here at our store, ready for you to choose so that when you find your spot, you can get it delivered. We also have these swim spas, these swim spas, these swim spas, and we have these swim spas. And as you can tell, these have water in them, so you can come and try them out. And why would you want to do that? Well, because we have 4 different swim spa brands, each with their own unique features. We have Endless Pools, which has the strongest turbine propulsion system in any swim spa on the market. You can swim, run, and bike all in one swim spa. You can literally do a triathlon in your backyard. We have Hydropool that has excellent exercise capabilities with the smoothest swim current in the industry. They also have the largest model variety, so you can choose the perfect swim spa for your needs. We have Jacuzzi swim spas, which also boast an excellent swim capability, as well as having the absolute best recovery options with patented jacuzzi jetting technology, making this the perfect hybrid swim and spa. And finally, we have cow spas. Now, I don't have one that I can swim in to show you because we sell so many of them, but here's a picture of one. And as you can see, it has benches, which is perfect for families who want to get together and do a lot of socializing, and is also the most price-conscious swim spa that we have in our offering. It's going to be anybody's standard swim spa out there for sure. And like any swim spa dealer that says they're the best, we have the best pricing. We will beat anyone's equivalent swim spa if we're not beating their pricing already. So as you can see, we are the best at swim spas. We have the most swim spas available, ready to go. We have 4 different brands of high quality. Every single one of these brands is highly rated. And we have the best pricing. We can't wait to see you to come into the store and try out one of these yourself, so you can decide what is the best swim spa and see that you want to get your swim spa here with us. So we'll see you soon. We here at Spas and Billiards.
That was really close.
What Spas and Billiards?